Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In that video, we'll calculate the derivative of those two functions. The first function look like it has like kind of three variables. I know that the derivative of u times v is equal u prime v plus u v prime, but the first function it has as if it has u times v times w. Anyway, let me show you the technique how to do that. It's very easy, and that kind of problem will not be a problematic for you. So let's write it down. F of x equal 3x squared plus 29 divided by 4 multiplied by square root of x. I can write it x to the power 1/2. It will be easier to derive. Multiplied by 5 minus 7 over 2x. And I want to calculate the derivative of this. So first I take 3x2 minus plus 25 divided by 4 as my u, and I can take all that square root of x times 5 minus 7x divided by 2 as my v. Yeah, and the derivative of u times v is u prime v plus u v prime. So the derivative will be equal 3x squared plus 29 divided by 4 prime, which is u prime, times v, which is x to the power 1/2, 5 times 5 minus 7 divided by 2x. This is u prime v plus u v prime, which is my u is 3x squared plus 29 divided by 4 multiplied by v prime, which is x to the power 1/2 times 5 minus 7 over 2x prime. Let's move it a little bit. So this is the prime. Let's write it at the prime. Okay, so 3x2 plus 29 divided by 4, the derivative of this is equal 2 times 3 is 6 x divided by 4 times, well, x to the power 1/2, I will keep it square root of x times 5 minus 7 over 2x plus my u stay the same, 3x squared plus 29 divided by 4. And I want to derive x to the power 1/2 times 5 minus 7 divided by 2x. So in that case, this become my u and this become my v. So it is u prime v, and I know the derivative of x to the power 1/2, it's equal 1/2 x to the power 1 minus 1/2, which is minus 1/2. 1 minus 1/2 is minus 1/2. Let's write it down. Okay. Let's do it here. So x to the power 1/2 prime is equal 1/2 x to the power 1 minus 1/2. And x to the power 1 minus 1/2 is equal 1 over 2 x to the power minus 1/2, which is equal 1 over 2 x to the power 1/2, which is equal 1 over 2 square root of x. So x to the power 1/2 is equal 1 over 2 square root of x. This is my u prime times my v, which in that case is gonna be 5 minus 7 over 2x. This is u prime v plus u v prime plus square root of x, which is x to the power 1/2, and the derivative the derivative of minus 7 over 2x is minus 7 over 2. And I close my big parenthesis here. Well, you can stop here, or you can let's do a little bit more. I know here I can simplify by 2, so it becomes 3 over 2x. This is equal 3 over 2x, square root of x. Keep it. 5 minus 7 over 2x. It's not worth it to multiply square root of x by 5 minus 7 over 2. Plus 3x squared plus 29 divided by 4. And here I can multiply minus 7 over 2 by 1/2 square root of x. So, oh no, there is a plus here. No, I'm gonna keep it like this. There is a plus because of that plus I cannot multiply them. So multiplied by 1 over 2 square root of x times 5 minus 7 over 2x. There is a minus here. Plus square root of x plus minus 7 over 2 square root of x. Plus times minus is minus actually. Minus 7 over 2 square root of x. And that's the final answer. Let's bring it a little bit down so you can see it better. And that's the final answer. And this is, it came from above, those two. Okay, so now let's solve the second function, which is f of x equal 4x minus 1 square. So the second one is f of x is equal 4x minus, is it minus 1? Minus 1 square times 2 minus, I think 3x, yeah, 3x square, 3x to the power of 2. And again, this look like my u and this look like my v, and u times v prime is equal u prime v plus u v prime. So let's start. It is 4x minus 1 actually, minus 1 square prime, u prime v, which is 2 minus 3x to the power of 2. This is u prime v plus u, which is 4x minus 1 square. This is my u. And v prime, which is 2 minus 3x to the power of 2 prime. And this is my v prime. It's important to write it like this at the beginning, and then we solve it. You're going to see why. So the derivative of 4x minus 1 square is equal to 4x minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of the inside parenthesis, which is the derivative of 4x minus 1. And then I have here my v, I have to keep it 2 minus 3x square plus 4x minus 1 square, I keep it, there is no derivative. And the derivative of 2 minus 3x square is 2 times 2 minus 3x to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 minus 3x prime, the derivative of the inside. So all that would be equal to 4x minus 1, and the derivative of 4x minus 1 is 4 actually, times 2 minus 3x to the power of 2 plus 4x minus 1 square times 2 minus 3x, and the derivative of 2 minus 3x is minus 3. So now here 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 8 4x minus 1 times 2 minus 3x square. And here I have this plus times this minus, it's equal to minus. So I'll put minus here, and then 2 times 3 is 6, so minus 6. 4x minus 1 square times 2 minus 3x. And that would be the final answer. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot. And if you put a like to that video, if you really like it, you put a like, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.